Hello there, this is a video of the Stihl MS180 chainsaw I have. I acquired it, I was given it probably 6 months ago now, and I haven't really used it, just played around with it a little bit, see what it's like. It's a good little chainsaw, quite grunty really for what it is. I think it is 1.8 cc, I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, as I say, it's a good little saw, but it's got some issues with it. The carb needs rebuilding because all the seals are pretty much gone in that. I did put a new fuel hose in it from the fuel tank up to the carburetor because it was split and wouldn't draw any fuel. I think it needs a new oil hose because it does weep oil when it's sat, chain oil, but other than that it's okay. I gave it a new chain. It's got a Husqvarna chain guard, but it doesn't really matter. It's got a new chain. The cutter bar will last probably this chain, and then I'll replace that as well. I'm not going to start him at the moment because he's got, well, I might do if there's enough fuel in it. I'll take the cover off, and there he is, little head. Needs a new air filter. That's quite filthy really, that's not very good. Give it a new spark plug. I'll whop that out a minute and have a look at that. As you see, try and get it to focus a bit. It's okay, not too dirty. I'll probably end up replacing it though because I don't know how long it's been in there. Don't know what it's like. The outside of it's starting to look a bit rusty. It's a BP-MR7A. I don't know anything about spark plugs. The cylinder looks pretty clean really. A little bit of oil, but well, it's what you expect. Looks fairly nice. Just quickly whop that on. Trigger works fine. Quickly tighten that up. Yeah, so I'll be just replacing parts over the next few days, and I shall update on how it's coming along. Thank you. So, this is the video of the Stihl MS180. I've got it working now. I took the cover off, just here, took this off, stripped all this down, got the carb out. All of the plastic was off it except for underside. Got a new spark plug now. I've done all the diaphragms in the carburetor. It's running quite nicely now, but there's still an issue with it oiling. I believe that the pipe or the pump itself is just full up with gunk. I replaced the pipe in the oil tank to the pump, but I haven't done anything yet. But I shall start it up and let you hear it run. This is me starting her up. Right. Got some full choke, brakes off. That's it running. It's just quite cold then, it wasn't picking up very nicely, but it runs lovely. It will cut wood, but at the moment I don't like doing it because there's no oil going on the chain whatsoever, and it will probably just seize the bloody thing up, which is a bit of a pain in the ass. But I'll run some diesel through there in a bit and see if I can clean it out, blast some stuff through there. So I've got it in bits now. There's the old tub. What it was, I was a bit thick and I put a kink in the actual pipe that goes in there. It all bunched up in the end, just here, and kinked up. It's got a little breather there, but yeah, the oil will flow out through there now. But you got to strip the whole thing down. Got to unattach the handle from all the rubbers, take the flywheel off. My little trick is just to put some fabric in the cylinder. Doesn't dent the cylinder head, doesn't score the actual bore of it, and it worked quite well. Jams it up nicely. Well, you can't jam something up nicely, but you know. Alright, I'll put this back together and see how it runs. And we have oil flow. So, got some good flow out of that. It was still had a bit of air in it, but the oil was moving, so I'm pleased it was just me being an idiot, really. I mean, if I wasn't an idiot, I wouldn't have had to strip it down again, but these things happen. Well, it's working now. It's flinging oil. Not much, but it's got oil running on the chain now. It's a lot nicer. I sprayed it up against the wall, the side of my van here, on the inside, and there was quite a bit of splatter coming off, so, and the chain runs a lot smoother now than it was. It doesn't jam up straight away. I haven't got any wood to test it on at the moment. We cut it all up yesterday, but yeah, hopefully that's all good.